Hello, my name is Vitas and this is my channel.
Hey, you alright?
Doing good, bro? How you doing?
Good.
Nice.
Where are we going today?
Go to the beach, maybe?
Sai Nuan?
Sure.
Yeah, cool.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now. To the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now. To the ending of the ocean. You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat. Keep on moving to the purpose now. To the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now. To the ending. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away. I follow your.
So yeah, this is Sai Nuan Beach. It looks like it hasn't been cleaned in a while. Me and Cam, once in a while, come to a random beach, have a beer, soak in the water, and just complain about life. Then we got stuck on this tropical island for this pandemic, where there are barely any COVID restrictions.
To the purpose now. To the ending of the ocean.
It was my first beer since last time we had beer together.
Super nice.
Super nice. It's time for a swim. An hour and a half later, after receiving some vitamin B and vitamin C, we're gonna go for a little walk, check out a little viewpoint, and after that we're gonna go see a really nice viewpoint. That's Koh Tao Beach, and up there that's John Swan Viewpoint, which I recently visited. Alright, Cam, how would you rate this viewpoint? Top 5 in Koh Tao? Definitely top 5. Definitely top 5. So with this amazing view, I'm gonna end this video. I will see you tomorrow.